So na building guys oh, na bakante o pa magamit. Dako kay nga property.
Next to the river.
Mao ni.
I told him, you know what? We just wasted the top. I made the 45.
So that's mao na ang building
It's been
diha.
10 years. Yeah. All this time, but it still holds its shape pretty much, right?
Yeah, Oliver's there.
I saw it. From the river because it's come out.
Okay, so naani
So JP,
paduol mi.
point, because the direction.
Okay. So mo ni guys ang ilang admin. So nana oh, sayang kay yung structure wa magamit. Dool ra mi sa highway oh, highway diha.
Retaining, and then back up behind the retaining solid.
Okay guys oh, mo nang building. So tanawa na iyang haligi guys oh. Wa magtungod, way foundation, way support sa ubos. So na ilad in town ni siya sa